Good morning. Well, I wasn't sure how I was going to create content this week, as I've been doing so many different jobs. I've been driving a class 2, delivering scaffolding to some sites and collecting scaffolding from another site. That was so interesting. Unfortunately though, I had to be very, very careful with the camera. I've got a tiny bit of footage of the first yard I went into, as you can see here. And this is what happened to us when I first got in there. I've been dug out because the front end sunk. Had a massive digger pulling the back end out, and the digger had to build a new road basically. I wasn't driving the comfortable automatics as normal. Starting to pick up a little bit of speed, so flicking the switch up. Don't need to put the clutch in, the switch up, in, up to 5th. I've been doing some work for the local council again. What's the ice cream sign?
See you later.
So, although I haven't been driving in my class 1, I've done quite a bit with the class 2 for the same company. I worked all weekend. Absolutely brilliant, like really good physical graft life for me, but that's only because I chose to dive in there. You know, he said there's some graft, but I don't expect you to do this, don't worry. But you can't just stand around. I'd rather get in. So when you want to earn some money out there, right, sometimes size doesn't matter. Trust me, it does not matter. My pal who works for a tipping, you know, he does the roadworks and that. He drives his class 2. He's on much more money driving the class 2s than the class 1s. So don't always focus on the bigger the yard, the more you get. Don't get stuck on that sort of scenario in your head, because it's not true. Not true at all. I thoroughly enjoy doing the class 1 work. I've not stopped driving it, my God, no way. But if work comes up for class 1 and work comes up for class 2 driving for this guy, I'm gonna go where the money is, man. I've had enough scrapping about. Same as what I've been doing. I worked Monday for the council. I worked yesterday for the council, 8 o'clock till 4, and I'm working for them today, doing a sports event, athletics, for two schools, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. And again, I just cannot tell you, honestly, like how much more you get, but it's just like it's a holiday, like considering, you know, what you do mentally wise when you're driving the class 1, class 2, your brain's fried off the time, just concentrating on those long days, long weeks, you know. Unless you've done it, you don't really get it, unfortunately. You can kind of understand where we come from. So I see, it's not often I watch other trucking vlogs. I sit in the truck all day, you know what I mean? It's like I'm not going to sit and watch somebody else sit in the truck all day. So, but very now and then I'll just have a little peek, and I've seen a couple, well, one in particular, just fed up. So it happens. You've just got to do what he's done, just move on, get out of it. Nah. don't follow the herd. You just make a move and get on, find something else. I know the kind of job that he's going for, and I think he's going to absolutely love it. Good on you, son. Bumpy. I haven't secured anything in the back either. Silly me. But I haven't put the tags on, like locking everything down. You can hear a little bit of rattling in the back. This little village is called Erston. I absolutely love this view right here with the church there and that beautiful old building. So it's Erston village, this. Oh dear, flat tyre. Oh, I was going to bring a bike pump. One of the tyres is down on the trolley that's got all the high jump in. They'll not want it anyway today because it's too slippy when it's wet. I have a feeling this might be cancelled this morning. Alright, it's just at the end here, so I'll switch off now, pop it back on a little bit short, like a little bit later. Right, I'm all set up. It's only 10 to 9, so between me and the lad there it took just 45 minutes to get opened up and set up for the athletics. So now I'm on a mission, bacon sandwich mission. In fact, I'm going to whiz into Whitby Bay first to my friendly bank. I still haven't heard anything back from the DVLA regarding camper van conversion. It's only been a week. The wife thinks no news is good news. I don't know. Just don't know. My brother's old street here on the right, my other brother's old street on the left, and I lived in the street at the bottom to the left. And the three of us, every time we were home, because we were all at sea offshore then, every time we were home on a Friday night we'd all leave the house together and we'd meet in this corner to go down the pubs in Whitby Bay on a weekend. Fab times, man. Good memories then. I'm hoping with it getting here for 9 there won't be a problem parking, but we'll see. Already they're taking up, look. Man. That's my bank there on the left. know.